Little late night swagger for you guys. Julian's out here.
I'm sweating.
Dude, it's so hot.
I took 2 showers today. I got a towel in the car, and this is like my 4th shirt. It's crazy.
I'm in the same clothes today. So yeah, I did so much work today. I didn't get a lot of footage because I was just super focused on like getting everything done. We had to do a little bit of modification to Brian's knuckles. Basically, so what I'm doing is it's more of like a prototype. So whatever I've done, I'm sharing with Brian. So we're working as a team, obviously, to get this right. So basically, I've done that. So now we're just finishing up, getting the toe, and then we're gonna put the bumper on. I resprayed the bumper. So I'm gonna throw my OEM fan on, just because I don't have the other fan set up yet, and obviously I don't have a shroud. It should still work, obviously, with especially how this can hold so much now. So it should keep the system cool. Hoping, please God, help me out. But yeah, going on from there, we're definitely gonna have a late night tonight for you guys. So be ready. Here we go. Oh, we out here. Oh, we out here.
Cops already running play.
Cops.
Like 3 seconds.
Yeah, we pulled in. Matt does a and then reverses back a little bit, and then the Poe comes up and runs his plate. 2 of them. They're
like, why are 5 cars rolling deep this late at night? They're up and down.
Yeah.
No.
Andrew got his whip nice and clean, and then he's got wifey here too. He's got wifey here. She just hit.
Zach.
All right, Zach, get out of here. So she actually just had her first event not too long ago, and she killed it. So I'm gonna ask for some footage so I can drop it in here so you guys can check it out. But she killed it, so hopefully we can get another one soon.
Maybe.
So,
maybe.
or she gets her own car.
Yeah. Ooh.
Oh, I might talk to him. I might talk to him. And Matt's car. But we out here. We're about to get this all done. So we out here. Everybody's in here right now. We got the whole squad rolling deep just for you guys. So you excited?
I can't see shit. That's pretty funny.
I'm sorry. Well, listen, it's for the viewers, guys. It's for the viewers. So
We're going blind.
Andrew's first time out here at the spot, so I know he's super pumped. Yeah, you got the sunglasses. So we just kind of went over the layout, and yeah, we're about to send it. We just gotta find your woman because we don't want to hit her in the dark.
She's gonna be videotaping something.
Oh, word. All right.
Yeah.
All commands will come from the tower. Range is going hot in 5 minutes.
All right, guys. So last night was crazy. So it was sick. So Mark sent it. Freaking Andrew sent it. Oh my God, dude. Julian. Matt got to drive Julian's. I got to drive this turd. So what we did with the whole kit was all I did was we kind of drilled in a little bit deeper into the knuckle. We put some red Loctite on, tightened it all down, let it sit for a few hours, and then whatnot. I drove the car. So I drove the car about, how many miles do you think that is to Mexico and back?
30 to 50, depending on how much driving
Total?
is done. Yes.
Okay, yeah. So
50 miles.
say yeah, I would say around 50 miles I drove on it, and then I actually beat on it, and they held up like perfectly fine. They came a little loose, so now what Mark's doing is he's actually gonna tack weld the bolts on, just so they won't back out. All they're really doing is, we think that the vibrations from like the plates and everything, what it's causing everything to do is that it's causing the bolts to back out of the threads a little bit. So we just re-tightened, and now Mark's just gonna go in and tack them, and hopefully that should be it. So, but
If we have any issues, we should be able to just cut the welds, take the bolts out.
yeah,
So.
yeah, word.
Right.
Yeah. So I mean, that's practically it for right now. We're gonna be planning, we might have like a nice little day trip or something. There's this hot dog spot in Holyoke that's like mad good, so I told freaking Mark that we freaking go check them out and stuff. And
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. Dude, that's where it's at, bro.
Still waiting on the legit helmet.
So
You get the big bucks for that right now.
But whatever. I'm hooking up Mark. So Mark's the one that helped me hook that fan up to this. Last night, it was actually a hotter day, so I didn't even want to take any chances or anything, so I actually put the OEM fan on. So yeah, so I'm getting on that one since I have the Mishimoto ones. We still have to put that on, so the plan for the week is to finish up the hood, get the 2 Mishimoto fans on, wire them up, and that's that, and then the car should be good to go, at least for the event. If the hood's not good, then I don't really care. It's alright, so. But yeah, that's what we're doing. So we're out here, take 2. Night number 2 underway. You ready?
Yeah, buddy.
Yeah, buddy.
Cook up a little less tired.
What?
It's raining today, so we're gonna cook up a little less tired.
Yeah, I know.
We got some drift going on, man.
Hell yeah.
It's good. We got that next week. We can't be spending money on tires.
Yeah. So just filling up the tires, letting some air pressure out, doing all, you know what I mean? You gotta play the elements. That's why drifting is a whole different ball game, because you have to play with all the elements. If it's too cold, if it's too hot, if it's wet out, you know what I mean? You have to let the pressure out. It's crazy. Out here at Andrew's house, they actually look pretty fucking sick on it though. Word. All the boys are out here. It's alive. It's alive. Woo. Resurrected. Resurrected. Oh damn, nice wheel.
Yeah. That's what we were saying. We're like, this thing doesn't deserve to be here.
This is
No. Yeah, we saved it.
Are you kidding? This was in the junkyard?
Yes.
With no motor in it? With the motor.
With the TT motor and transmission.
It had no rear subframe.
What did it need?
No rear subframe.
Oh, okay. So someone ripped it apart. Dude, this is amazing.
Dude, it's clean.
Rebuilt too. I had some things wrong.
Yeah, yeah. I mean, you're gonna get that in any of these.
Dude, even these, look at these.
Yeah,
Yo, look at these. Even these. These are mint. This is the first thing to go.
All tore
Yeah.
up. The dash all cracked, dude. This is so good. Do the locks and everything still work for the T-tops?
they don't
I
even
gotta
move
get a
either.
momo
It's
wheel.
just-
That's nice.
Really? Dude, you gotta.
Yeah, I got a tight bolt hole on that one.
Yeah. I was going over that curve and I was just kind of like, all right, I got grip, and there was just like nothing. I just went straight in the dirt and pulled off. A good night though.
Yeah, it was perfect, dude. That's all we need.
Get some extra seat time here and there.
Yeah. Perfect for the event next weekend,
Yeah,
boy.
we'll all be good to go for week 2.